Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about the quote-unquote shocking discovery. Bodies, burial ground, Central Village. Of course, if you've been with the movement for a while, you know this is shocking for us. You know, it's a long time I tell them about this. Matter of fact, when the story dropped on the news page, them, especially the Star, it's people in the comment section I say, remember when the local YouTuber telling about this? Central Village, them don't even scratch the surface when it comes down to finding body. Matter of fact, them have to go dig way below the surface to find some of them body there. Amount of people lost over this. So when we go into that Sunday, remember we're dropping the Shirley Playfair video. Shirley Playfair was a lawyer, very popular in the legal fraternity. When she lost her life, the case was extraordinary. From start to finish. Lawyers who say, it doesn't matter what somebody did, everybody deserves representation. No lawyers say them not take the case. All if the defendant. They might offer them money. Some lawyer refuse. You ever hear that yet? We show you how the legal fraternity get monstrous. Because them love users I read them. These sentences are this is monstrous. So them become monsters. Initially, people get sentenced to 60 years before parole, life in prison. Right. 60 years before parole. Have you ever heard that? When was the last time you heard that in Ireland? 60 years before parole for one murder. I saw the judge deal with the case. I drop that video because I want to see how lawyer and judge go on when time wanna quote unquote for them one get murdered. Now we see them get monstrous again. Because after Sandra Rees then dead, we them say nobody can go on bike back. If you run bike taxi down a Westmoreland, tap it. If you carry bridging go work, tap it. If a girl put on one shorts and ride up on the North Coast studio, Sunday daytime, tappy. Because one of our own dies, they become monsters. We never talk about a case there. Extraordinary case. I mean, kinda hard to get a Shirley Playfair picture. But even if we don't get the picture, still I go drop the video. You know, enough time we make them video and the picture really hold the button enough time, you know. Or even sometime, right, even the case with a 9-year-old, you know, enough of them case there. Sometimes people, so look YouTuber and West, never one picture in there, but you can't show it because it's obvious, say, you know, I mean, you take that picture that day, so I can't show it. So enough time, in them situation, we just know about to drop the video, right, because you don't know we put protecting the sources at the top, right. Anything we might risk the source, we just know bother, right, unless the source give permission. But in the Shirley Playfair instance, right, even if we don't get a picture, still I drop the video because I want to see the case. It was extraordinary. People end up all worst case on appeal. As to that twins I say, it was quite tumultuous. So, Central Village bodies from residents them to them surprise. Unique on me. How long now may I tell them about quote unquote residents? In every badman place, there's some people who are designated, right, media personnel. When the cameras them come around, when the media come around, I use step out and talk to them. Anytime you see anything go on a badman place and people used to run going at the camera, and me I tell you say, and then the dirty soldier boy, and the dirty police boy, and tears are flow. Enough time, enough time and the gang even say, realize that you good pan the theatrics, so make sure it's you go in front of the camera. People in the community who actually see what happened and know what happened, Them are go link people like look at YouTuber one away and want to say no, sir, this actually go and do. But yeah, man, no man, I saw you go and this go. But them people they can't go on TV go say, oh, Richie Blacks. Yeah man, then a big gunman that man name shot the man on this and when him come on this so they see him go stand fight police and run go and link with that shy gun. Them can't say that. Say that and live where? Say that and live where? So the most vocal enough time is an agent of the gang. This is how enough of your favorite scholars them get tricked. Enough of your favorite humanitarians see them go in a bad man place, walk around, talk to residents. And residents just spin them like a gig. Yeah, because we just there, son. JJ Nakis, yo, me tell you, them in the trouble, nobody. It's me, I say, but you don't know. As I get to you, them just see the youth and just say, yo, hey boy JJ Nakis, come here. And just shot the man in the face, dog. And I tell the boy, rough and run you. And then walk up, his tears are running them eye. Especially if it's a foreign walk to be suffering from village or Gwinnett guilt. And they're like, oh my god, this is so hard, oh my god. And then you see them on TV. And then I spoke to the residents. Residents take it for fool. Residents, them will know how go under the streets now link. No humanitarian. Them a link the local YouTuber, them a link Popeye. The game move on. Wake up. Residents lie all the time. Nobody will live at Central Village can tell you to them shock, tell them I find view brothers. Central Village residents, I tell you to them shock. Central Village residents when know say that the place that burial ground. Central Village residents where know say have some part where people don't even walk go. People just know say that's like forbidden ground. We tell them say Central Village have some little crevices and some little features where man lost around there so. I know them can't find bad from fingernail. Last. You have a part of Central Village where the 87 them live around there so come like caveman. But tell them things now. Caveman, you have to see it to believe it. You think it's a walking demon you look on, you gotta run. If you don't know how Central Village run, you might make the mistake and think say it's a normal place you know. Cause some part there look like nothing no go on, you know. Spooky. Can't stay there. Remember the Susan Bogle case? Residents say, right, a woman come out and say the soldier shot Susan Bogle one time and she ball out and him shot her 2 more times. From the start, me tell them it's a unicorn meat that. He did it, men have to do it. Me tell them say the only way Susan Bogle gets shot 3 times is if the soldier have one of them rifle away fire 3 rounds at once. Right. You have some rifle will fire full auto, you have some will fire right, a 3 round burst at once. So if you hold on the trigger, and just 3 come out. That's the only way so Susan Bogle could get shot 3 times. JDF soldier I left camp to go shot Susan Bogle 3 times in her chest cause she quote unquote poor. You don't believe anything. Of course when the autopsy come out and then the real story come out, everybody get quiet. That would have to be a monumental screw up. And we can tell you this, you make them kind of screw up on a certain man ups. In the come that be the least of your worries. Central Village is not alone. I'm telling about other places in the Spanish town. I'm telling them say the taxi man. I must say make all the video show and say. I tell them say yo, you can't tell them exactly which part the man bury and all know them about. In the business. And nobody would then consider high profile and nobody will, you know, name so big them have to draw a press conference for so left people over there. Can't name alone. Enough people over there. Burial ground. That the river stretch right there so. We are talking about certain part near Bucktown, certain part behind Larissa. Burial ground. If they want to get one Baku and start dig man, they may find so much bone. Yeah, that's straight to them are archaeologists. They may scratch the surface of Central Village. But one look on a comment here. I tell you, the PIA they everywhere you know. The man get 800 likes on a comment. That's why I know some of them everywhere now. 800 likes on a comment is insane. But the people them see what go on. People them who remember the early days when it was you chat too much, or you know that you're just a YouTuber, that no come on news, or you know that you make up things to get views. This is why back in the days people were so gobsmacked by some of the things them say you make up things to get views. That's why I just claim it. And it's alright, yeah, I make up things to get views and a bad mind scammer, an artist. Sometimes you know make sense about the argue with people who same thing. You just alright, true, so you go. Yes, alright, yes, my bad mind's came out. Alright. That's the whole reason why I'm making this video, because bad mind's came out. But yeah, big up on yourself, yeah, man. Like everywhere me I see you in the comment section all over the place. The narrative is slowly changing. Slowly, but it's changing. Jamaicans now fall for the same old tricks that them used to. Or at least a percentage of Jamaica. We just need to get wider and wider and wider. So look out for the Shirley Play for video Sunday. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circle. Bless.